Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you about how to fix eroded badlands solutions in Minecraft. So if you're facing this error, how to fix it. So first of all, what you'll have to do is you'll have to restart your Minecraft launcher and sign in with a valid Microsoft account. So simply restart your launcher, and then what you can do is you can uninstall and install your Minecraft launcher. So you can simply uninstall it and reinstall it, and then what you can do is use administrator permissions to launch Minecraft. So to do that, let me show you how you can do that. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to go and find your Minecraft shortcut. After you find your Minecraft shortcut, right click on it, press on open file location. It will take you to the file location and you'll see the application icon. Right click on that, go to properties, and then from here you'll have to go to compatibility, and then you'll have to take this, run this program as an administrator, press apply and OK, and this will run the application as an administrator. So after that, what you can do is you can allow or create an exception for Minecraft in your antivirus program and firewall settings. So to do that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to search for allow an app through Windows Firewall. So as you can see here, this option, click on it. It will take you to this allowed application menu, where you have to find Minecraft and see if it's allowed through the public and private networks or not. If you cannot find it, what you'll have to do is you'll have to press change settings, and then you'll have to press allow another app, and then simply browse it through your PC and simply add it here, and then you can add the private and public networks through here. So this is one method as well. So after that, what you'll have to do is you can restart your operating system to the restart your computer, and then also you can update your operating system to the latest version as well. So if you're using Windows or iOS, so you can simply update to the latest version and see if it fixes or not. And then if any of the methods doesn't work, you can simply connect with customer support and see if they can be of any help of you or not. So that is all for today, guys. Hopefully this method will solve your issue. Take care. Bye bye.